Hey guys, I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber, and I'm fixing to show you how to get into your valve box and turn off the water to your house. That way, if you have a flood, you can shut off the water quick, and that will save you lots of money. Guys, as you can see, we have multiple tools here. This one is great because this has a meter key to get you in the box and a valve wrench to turn it on and off on the other end. This one is great if your box is already open or easy to get into and you don't need a key. Just put this on top, turn your water on and off. This one is another form of the multi-tool. This one goes in, opens the meter box. This one is for if the valve is down lower on the side. Turn it 90 degrees to open it and close it. That takes care of it. This is just your old-fashioned meter key that is great. You just stick it in, turn it, open it up, and you're in your meter. Another great thing to have around the house. Okay, to turn the water off, as you see right now, the arrow is pointing towards the meter. Put your wrench in, turn it. The arrow is now pointing away from the meter, and these two holes line up. Those holes are actually where the city can come out, put a lock on to shut your water off. Whenever you're ready to turn it on, put your wrench back in place. Rotate it till it stops. As you see, the arrow is now pointing back towards the house. The holes are not lined up and everything's set up like it should be. Now the water is back onto the house. One thing I really like about these new meters, the GPM. If you open a faucet or you've got a shower running, you can come out here and look and see exactly how many gallons per minute you're using. So guys, I've showed you how to turn the water off and how to turn the water back onto your house. Most meters are out here by your curb. Sometimes they'll be in the middle of your driveway. Depends on where the plumber put them. Just make sure that everybody in your family knows how to turn the water off in case of an emergency. That can save you tons of money. I'm Roger Wakefield with Texas Green Plumbing, saving you money one drop at a time.